Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing and assembly of my new e-bike I got from Bolton e-bikes, area 13, and I'm going to show you what all came in the box and what accessories I added. Okay, so this is my new FOXBAT e-bike from Bolton Electric Bikes, area 13. I did order the flat out. I'll do a separate video later showing how to use this. And let's take a look, see what we get in the box. So we have also ordered extra the little Bolton e-tool. Pretty neat little tool there. And in this box we have a wrench, a couple of bolts, a little three-pointed multi-tool, an adapter, and the pedals. Also in this little box we do have the charger, and now to take a look inside the main box. I did order the Cloud 9 saddle, and they already put it on the bike for me, so I didn't even have to do that part of it. I'll go ahead and get this thing unboxed, unpackaged, and we'll start the assembly. This is the FOXBAT from Area 13, Bolton e-bikes. And there's the bicycle. I'll go ahead and get all the packaging undone, get it set out, and finish with the assembly. And there we have it. The Bolton e-bike FOXBAT with the upgraded Cloud 9 saddle. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll take it out for a test drive, show you what it does. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.